Remedies presents How to remove mold from walls. 2 simple effective methods. Having mold growing on your walls and ceilings is not only unsightly but unhealthy and unwelcoming. It only takes an inch of your wall for mold to make it its home and steadily grow before you find an entire affected area of your home blackened with fungus. In today's video, I would not recommend using bleach to get rid of mold from the walls, as bleach does not kill mold on porous surfaces and can actually contribute to mold growth. Also, it produces fumes that pollute the air and can become harmful to both humans and pets. We will use more natural products to get this job done safely. You can use these methods on both a non-porous surface such as tile and a porous one such as dry wall. Vinegar. Vinegar is 100% natural and safe. It does not emit any dangerous fumes into your home like most chemicals do. Vinegar will penetrate porous materials and kill the mold at the roots. Bleach and vinegar can both kill mold, but vinegar is much more effective for removing mold from porous materials. This is because bleach only kills mold spores on the surface of affected materials. Use white distilled vinegar. Simply pour the vinegar into the dry spray bottle, do not dilute it, and spray a good amount onto the mold-infested areas. Allow it to sit for an hour. After an hour, scrub the area. For this, you can use scrubbing brush with firm bristles, as it is more effective in removing hardened fungus and stains. Wash off with clean water. In order to prevent mold regrowth, you should spray the areas once or twice a week. Borax. Borax is a mineral generally considered safe unless ingested. Mix a cup of borax with a gallon of water and spray it on the mold. Allow it to sit for an hour. After an hour, scrub the area. For this, you can use a scrubbing brush with firm bristles, as it is more effective in removing hardened fungus and stains. Wash off with clean water. Bonus tip. You can also make a one-step spray solution by mixing 2 tablespoons of borax in a 1/4 cup of vinegar and adding 2 cups of warm water. Wait an hour after application, then wipe or scrub the walls down again with a clean damp cloth or brush. Preventing mold growth. Mold needs moisture to survive, so the best way to prevent it from growing is to eliminate all sources of moisture. The bathroom and other places in which humidity control is impossible. Spraying the walls regularly with vinegar is one way to prevent mold from growing. Let the vinegar dry on the wall, then rinse and wipe with clear water. Try these 2 methods and share your experience. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.